Yes, Bob.
Yes,
Yes. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you. What are you doing?
Okay. I'm doing fine. All right. Now my
Great.
agent want to talk to you right now. Okay? Because we are.
Okay,
Alrighty.
okay.
All right, Bob. Bob.
Hello, I'm here.
Yeah. Hello, Bob.
I'm here.
Yeah, we are delivering your price today. The army truck is coming over on the scene today. So everyone will look on the desk and receive some paperwork for you. Everyone get it done today. Right?
Somebody's coming over today.
Repeat again, Bob.
Who's coming over today?
The army truck to deliver your price.
I don't understand you.
We want to deliver your price today, Bob.
Who's coming and when?
Today, listen, man. Right, Bob?
Yes, I'm here.
You win a Benz $4 million as raffling. You win today as a winner, right?
Great,
Great. So we here to deliver your price today.
great.
All right. Well,
I'm home.
you have a clean sheet and pen, sir, to give you some information.
What's that?
Just tell me when you get the clean sheet of paper and a pen.
Why do I need a paper and pen?
Right, to give you
If
some
you're coming over.
information. Bob, you have the paper and the pen?
Not yet, but I will.
All right, get a clean sheet of paper and a pen.
I got it.
Right, all right. You have it?
Yep.
All right. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, all right, listen now. You see, we are going to deliver the price today. Of, yeah, listen. Bob?
Yep, I'm here.
All right. We have to give you some information like the company we work for have to pay a local fee like tax to before you get your price. Right?
I got a prize coming.
Right. Today.
Good. When they coming?
All right. We there about 1 hour to hours your yard in the army truck to drive come over. Right?
What time?
What time you have there, Bob? I run my desk right now, Bob.
What time are they coming here?
All right. We want to deliver your price before 6, Bob.
It's the 1:15. What time will they be here?
We be here about 5:30.
5:30 tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we are deliver some more things coming up. Right?
5:30.
Yeah. Say, listen, all right. See, when we deliver, we come over, we're going to call, all right?
You coming over what?
Right. To your home to deliver your price and your money. And listen, Bob, you can't let nobody know your business, you know. Right?
I don't understand you.
Listen, do you have an account to put this money in here? 4
Do
million.
I have a what?
Do you have an account to put the $4 million you win in there?
Good. Bring the $4 million.
Right. All right. Just listen, you know. Say, you married, Bob?
What's that?
Do you married?
I was married up till 2 weeks ago. My wife passed away.
Okay. I'm sorry about that, Bob. All right. Listen. You see this money you're going to get, you can't let nobody know about your business to us your money, Bob. Right? And you can't trust nobody in your business. This is me and your business.
I don't have a business.
No, your money where you win, you can't trust nobody when Let's say me ask you if you have an account and everything, and you have a wife.
I do not have a wife.
Well, you alone can claim zero money, right?
I don't know what you're saying.
If you alone gonna claim zero money.
I'm sorry, I do not understand you.
Alright. Bob, listen. Just listen. And anything me tell you, just listen what you're gonna do to get your price. Right?
Right.
Alright. You have to pay $1,000 as the fee.
I have to pay $1,000.
Right. That I know. I know. The company charging that to ask the army truck to come over.
I don't have $1,000.
What amount you have, Bob? Can't pay. We can't help you now. You have to just explain to me what's going on.
I don't know what's going on, but
you see, this money
I don't have $1,000.
All right, Bob. Listen. This money where you're going to get, this $4 million under BEMS where you win, right?
Great.
Right. This money, I come over to you, right? Say, what I try to do, Bob? We try to help out the system. But we see your name on the desk. Your paperwork and everything. Say we there to say we want to give her your prize today. For you're a big winner.
I'm here. Bring it around.
All right, but you have to pay a little fee, Bob, to all the company we work for.
I don't understand you.
You have to pay a mortgage to all the companies where we work
I have to pay?
Yeah, like you're going to pay. You say you don't have 1,000. You have 500.
No, I don't have 500.
1 month you have, Bob. For we depend on where the army truck will deliver your price today, but we have to give give the receipt and certain things. And you have to pay the tax off of the something where you win. Right?
Right.
Say, 1 month money you have.
What's that?
1 month money you have can pay to ask your price today.
How much money do I have?
Can pay to ask your price today.
Yeah, you can bring my price around.
That's right. Okay, I'm going to give you the number to give the merchandise or bank over.
All right, Bob.
Yes, I'm here.
You have to pay a fee today. That's why I ask you, you can pay a $300 fee to claim your price.
How much?
$300.
I don't have $300.
1 month you have, Bob. I doing my work. I try to help you out, Bob.
I don't have $300.
How much you have, Bob?
I got $10 in my pocket right now.
Okay. No, Bob. That can't pay the fee for receive your price. That can't pay it, Bob. You have to come up with some more connection, Bob.
I got $10.
No, Bob. That can't do it, Bob. Remember, we tell us it's $1,000 to all the fee, Bob. You get your price, and are you right now? Are you all up the army truck? We have come over to give you your price today. But we tell us,
bring it around. I'm here.
Yes, we know you're in here, Bob. But we are tell us we have to charge you a fee before we come over. For the army truck bring over, Bob.
I don't have any money.
You're not winner is a company we work for, Bob.
I don't have any money.
$10 can't be your fee, Bob. All right, listen, Bob. Bob.
I'm listening.
Do you have to put more on it? If you $1,000 or a $500 to receive your price, as soon as you have it, you bet we know I will receive your price, and the army truck is coming over today.
Come on, I'm here.
Yes, but you have to pay the ticket. You have to pay the taxes, Bob, to all the company we are sending over your price.
Bring your prize. I'm here.
Listen, all right. I'm going to give you the
Listen to me, all right?
I'm here.
Pastor banker to place the money to, all right? Hello? Okay, Bob, listen what Johnny's told you, alright? Alrighty?
He told me I had a prize.
So do you have any money in you right now?
No, I don't have any money.
So when do you plan to come up with $250?
I don't have $250.
Why? Listen, baby. Alright, this $250 is for your taxes, okay?
I don't have $250.
Bob, tomorrow I call you back when you feel that you have the $1,000 by tomorrow, Bob.
I don't have any money.
So you can't get no money. Remember, you know, Bob, when you receive this prize, you're going to be a millionaire, you know, Bob.
Good,
Right?
bring it around. I'm here.
So sooner you have the money to receive your prize, Bob. You can't
I'm
call
here.
it. No, but Bob,
I'm here. I'll receive my prize.
you can't receive your prize and you don't pay the market tax, Bob.
I don't have any money.
That is the problem, Bob. So I just do it my work. I work for the company. You have to pay your price.
I don't have any money.
Sooner, when you have the money, you pay for your price, Bob.
I don't have any money.
All right, okay. I'll call you back tomorrow, Bob. Right?
I'll be here tomorrow.
Make sure you have your money pay for your price.
I don't have any money.
Okay, tomorrow I call you back. I better speak to my urgent, right?
Thank you.
All right, Bob. Have a good sleep. Drink a cup of coffee and relax. You have money on the way, Bob, right?